Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to monetize your reels, specifically how you can be making money for free just by creating content using the most popular push feature on Instagram right now, which is reels. If you're not creating video, you're missing out. Right now with social media, everywhere you go, everywhere you look, they are pushing video. And in Facebook Meta's case, it's Reels, which is really just another form of video. Even if you go live, even if you post another video, Instagram will push it as a Reel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first off, in order to start monetizing on Reels, you need to make sure you have a professional account. And what do I mean by that? Some people, you yourself, might have an account that is personal, meaning you've been using it for personal use or you've been using it for business, but you had no idea that you needed a business or creator account. And so in order to do that, go to that little hamburger on the top right of your Instagram profile, click on that, then go to settings. After you go to settings, click on account, and then choose to switch account. As you see here, I'm already a creator, but when you choose that option, you have the option to choose either creator or business. Hit confirm. It might take about 24 to 48 hours before it kicks in and is approved, but once it is, you'll now have the professional dashboard. In order to see if you're eligible, you'll go ahead and click on the professional dashboard, then you'll go to bonuses. After you go to bonuses, you'll see the word eligible. It will let you know if you are eligible to start monetizing. Key is, in order to earn income on Reels, you have to be invited. But how do you get an invitation? This is how. So one, you need to have a professional account. So once you do this, now you need to start creating and using the feature that Instagram loves, which is Reels. And ideally, you want to post consistent, original content. Yeah, it's great to repurpose content, post a funny meme, repost someone's reel that's really doing well. But the more original it is, the more it's going to go further within the algorithm, and Instagram likes to see originality. So if you can post consistently, say example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon, it's going to see like, wow, this person is a creator. I want to boost their content. I want to show it to more potential eyes. And it's going to see that you are using its feature, and they're going to want to pay you for it to basically help them promote Reels. And you need to do that consistently for at least 30 days. So if you have been doing it, it could be retrograded, meaning a minimum of 1,000 views the past 30 days on your last Reels, or a minimum of 1,000 views generated for the next 30 days. Either way, you want to show up creating consistently. And if you're unsure of like, what content can I post, make sure to snag my free hook and reel guide where I offer 100 different ideas of content just for you to create. It's free. It's a no-brainer. It's really simple. So these are some of the best hooks and the best reel ideas that you can start creating today. So make sure to grab that below. So just to recap, in order to start monetizing and getting paid for your reels for free just to create them, make sure to change and upgrade your account to a professional account. 2, start posting original content consistently for 30 days with minimum of 1,000 views, and wait to see if you get invited. Again, the more consistent you can do it, more likely you will get the invite. And then once you do, make sure to check out the tips and resources for creators and business owners. This gives you lots of tips on how to create reels, different ideas, hop on like what other creators are doing and model what works. There's no reason why you can't be successful on this platform. All you have to do is show up, take action, and implement these strategies that you're learning. If you found this video helpful, please like, please share, please subscribe. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.